Hey guys, this is Abbas. I hope you are doing good and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am into my Power BI desktop where I have built a simple visual that displays sales value by different teams by using the clustered bar chart. The problem is this visual takes little bit of more space than it should, and when I try to resize the visual, the text label will also get resized. Now these shrink text labels are not very clear and concise for the end users to read. What if I tell you that we can add these text labels inside the bars and it doesn't get resized and are still very readable for the end users and will also save real estate space for the Power BI report developer? Well, this can be achieved with the help of custom Power BI visual. So first let's download the custom visual by logging into your Power BI desktop. In the visualization pane you can click on get more visuals and it will take you to the Power BI app source in a while. Here you go, let it load, and in the search bar you can search for horizontal bar chart. Click on it. So you can download this horizontal bar chart that is PBI certified. You can simply click on add and this visual will be added to your Power BI report visual. The visual is now being installed and is ready to use. So I'll simply click on the visual and I'll quickly drag the fields that are needed. So I'll put the sales value in the measures field and the team name into the category field. So by default it displays the text labels within the bars, and it also comes with a bunch of customization option as compared to the standard visual. So as an example, let's say I want to display my data labels to the right so that the visual is less cluttered. So it has an option called align right and you just need to enable it to display your data labels to the right of the visual. Here is my final result after all the customization alongside the standard Power BI visual. I hope this adds a little value to your Power BI report development, and if you like this video, do share it with others and I'll see you in the next video.